But one of the other fun things that we enjoy doing is that we enjoy when we make an Amazon wish list, and then you get to see, hey, what do they need for Vacation Bible School? And you have the opportunity to send us something. Now, if you send us something on the Amazon wish list, we'll either do an unboxing thing up here, or we might even do a video in the middle of the week. It might happen. So we've actually gotten in, some of y'all already got the clue. And so, yeah, how about I take this one and you take that one? And we're gonna have a little mystery time to see what you guys have sent us. So I'm gonna open my box and you can open that. What you got over there? Looks like you got some kind of outfit.
So this is, it's an orange jumpsuit. It is an astronaut costume for the skit portion of our VBS. So we'll have some skits every night, and this is a costume for it. And then
Rachel, what's our theme this year?
Our theme this year is stellar.
Okay.
So it's an outer space theme. So we're gonna come in just a few short weeks, and the whole sanctuary is gonna be decorated like outer space. There'll be stars on the ceiling, and oh.
I know, we got all these. I don't know what this is.
Uh-oh.
Let's see what.
We're gonna find out together.
Adam, you might have to help me. Come here real quick. What is this?
We're gonna need a little bit of extra help.
What?
Oh, so this is, I know what this is.
What did y'all send me?
A giant astronaut to go up on the stage during VBS. So this will actually inflate.
Oh, it's an inflatable. Okay.
And Adam has the head right there.
Oh, look at the American flag. That's so perfect for today.
It is
don't you like that?
Today, so.